Benefits of traveling abroad. Step out of your comfort zone and explore the world. Traveling abroad broadens your horizons and enhances your global understanding. It hones adaptability skills, as your journey will be filled with unexpected situations. You will learn to navigate through challenges confidently. Experience diverse cultures firsthand. Taste exotic cuisines, learn new languages, and immerse yourself in rich traditions. It's a wonderful way to gain a deeper appreciation for cultural diversity. Traveling abroad also contributes to personal growth. It inspires creativity, boosts happiness, and refreshes your outlook on life. So pack your bags, embrace the journey, and transform your life. Travel abroad, there's a world waiting to be discovered.